Are you tired of manually handling all your business activities? Then this video is exactly what you need. So hello everyone, welcome back to the YouTube channel of Pabbly, your one-stop solution for business automation and growth. And today I will demonstrate how you can send WhatsApp session recap as PDF for Thinkific students. And inside this video, I will integrate these two different applications, Thinkific and WhatsApp, with the help of Pabbly Connect. And after that, whenever any student has enrolled for a course inside my Thinkific account, then after that, post our session, I will send my students a session recap PDF as a document on their WhatsApp account. So if you are ready to learn how I'm going to create this amazing automation, then for that, let us jump right onto my screen. Hello everyone, here on my screen you can see that I have created this integration where I have integrated Thinkific and WhatsApp Cloud API inside my Pabbly Connect account. And now without any delay, I will show you a real-time example of how this automation will work. And for that, you can see this is my Thinkific website. And in here I run this particular course, Basics of Java. And now to show you a demo, I will enroll for this particular course. So for that, I will copy the link of this particular course from here, and then I will open it inside my new incognito window, and I will paste it. And when I will open this, you will see that this particular page will open in front of me. And now I just have to click on this enroll for free button. After that, you can see I have to fill up this particular form to successfully enroll for this particular course. So I will quickly fill up all of these following details. So here I have filled all of these following details. Now I will click on this sign up button. After that, you will see that this particular website is verifying if I am human or not. After that, you will see I have to enter my password and my phone number. So I will quickly enter them too. So here I have entered my password and phone number. Now I will click on this next button, and here you can see now we will successfully enroll for our particular course, Basics of Java. And here I have successfully enrolled myself. Now I have to click on this go to dashboard button. You can see inside this particular page I have the course for which I have enrolled myself. And now after I have completed a session inside this particular course, then after my session I will receive a session recap document on my WhatsApp account. Now if I will show you my Pabbly Connect account, you can see inside this particular workflow in this application, here I have successfully received this response, and in here you can see all the details that I have entered while filling up that particular form are captured. So this means that after my customer has completed their sessions for themselves, after some time they will automatically receive a session recap document on their WhatsApp account with the help of this workflow. So you can see as I have waited for 2 minutes. Now if I will show you my WhatsApp account, in here you can see that I have successfully received this session recap document. Now if I will download it and show it to you, you can see this is how my session recap document will look to me, and it contains all the details about the session that I have just attended. So you just saw how easily I could create this amazing automation for myself with the help of Pabbly Connect. And if you want to create this amazing automation, then for that you just have to go on a new tab and enter pabbly.com/connect. And after pressing this enter button, you will get directed on this landing page of Pabbly Connect. And inside here on the top right corner, you can see we have got these two different buttons, sign in and sign up free. So if you are a new user, then you have to click on this sign up free button, and from here you can create your free account. And for your information, let me tell you that Pabbly Connect gives every new user 100 free tasks every month to create such amazing workflows. And if you are an existing user, then you have to click on this sign in button. But before clicking on this, I would like to share with you guys some details about Pabbly's Facebook community. So Pabbly has this amazing Facebook community of over 20,000 members where individuals share their ideas and ask questions from our experts. And here we build and grow together. So if you also want to become part of such an amazing community, then for you I will add a link of this community in the description box of this video. So you can go and join our community from there. And now I will go back to this Pabbly Connect page. After that, you can see as I am an existing user, so I will click on this sign in button, and this will get me directed on this all apps page of Pabbly. And here you can see Pabbly has these 7 amazing and powerful applications, but today as we are going to use this Pabbly Connect, so that's why I will click on this access now button. And after that, I have got directed on this dashboard of Pabbly Connect. And in here you can see on the right corner, I have got this button, create workflow. By clicking on this button, I can start creating a workflow for myself. But before that, you can see this is the plus button. By clicking on this plus button, you can create a folder for yourself, and in those particular folders you can can store your workflows to stay organized. And now to start creating a workflow, I will click on this create workflow button. And here I have to select among these two different workflow builders. First one is our new beta version and the other one is our classic version. So today I will select this particular beta version, which is modern, faster and more flexible. After that, inside this dialog box, I will give a meaningful name to my workflow. Send WhatsApp session recap as PDF for Thinkific students, and from this second box here I will select this particular folder in which I want to save this workflow, and then I will click on this create button. After that, you can see our workflow is created and I have landed on this particular window which hosts this trigger button, and this trigger button is like the event on which I want my workflow to get triggered. And after this trigger button, we will work on our action steps, and those action steps are actually the response toward this particular trigger. So if I talk about definition, trigger says when this happens, action says do this, and this trigger and action buttons are the two basic concepts on which our whole workflow is going to be based on. So to help you better understand how this trigger and action buttons will work, let me share my objective for today's workflow. So today I want that whenever any user enrolls for a particular course that I sell from my Thinkific website, and after he has attended a session for himself, I want to send them a session recap PDF on their WhatsApp account. So for today, my trigger application will be Thinkific. So inside this particular box, I will search for my trigger application Thinkific and I will select it from here. After that, for this trigger event, I want my application to get triggered whenever any new enrollment is created. So that's why I will select this particular application event enrollment created, and then to connect Thinkific with Pabbly Connect, I will click on this connect button. And here you can see I have received this webhook URL. So first of all, I will copy this webhook URL from here, and then I have to follow the steps given under here to successfully connect my Thinkific with Pabbly Connect. But as I know all of these following steps, so I will show you directly. So you can see this is the partner portal of Thinkific. So from here you have to click on this left side button, sites. After that, you have to select this development, and then you have to click on this visit dashboard. After that, you will see that I have got directed on this particular page as this is in preview mode. So first of all, I will go back to my dashboard, and after that I will click on the settings, and here inside the settings I have to click on this code and analytics. So I will click on it, and from here I will select this webhooks. So inside this webhooks I have to click again on this webhooks, and then to add a new webhook I have to click on this button new webhook, and here I will enter the particular webhook that I have copied from Pabbly Connect. And then for this model, first of all I will select this enrollment because I have selected my trigger event as enrollment created, and for this enrollment topic I will select this enrollment created, and then I have to click on this save button. After that, you can see my new webhook is created successfully. So now inside my Pabbly Connect account, you can see this is waiting for webhook response. So we have to go back and we have to again submit a test. So to do a test submission, I will again open this courses page, and you can see this is my course basics of Java. So I will copy the link of this particular course again, and after that I will open it inside a new incognito window. So I will paste the link here, and when I will open it, you can see I have landed on this page. Here I have to click on this enroll for free button. After that, I have to fill up all of these following details to successfully enroll for this particular course. So I will again quickly fill up all of these following details, and then we will proceed further. So here I have entered all of these following details. Now I will click on this sign up button. After that, you will see that now I have to enter my password and mobile number. So I will quickly enter these also, and then I will click on this next button. After that, you can see this is verifying if I am human or not. I will successfully get enrolled for this particular course, and here I will click on this dashboard. So you can see I have successfully enrolled for this particular course. Now I will go back on my Pabbly Connect account, and we will see that if we have received any response or not. So this is my Pabbly Connect account, and in here you can see we are still waiting for a webhook response. And here we have successfully received this response, and inside this response you can see all the details that I have entered while filling up that particular form are captured. This means that our trigger step is working all fine. And as with the help of these details, I want to send my customer a session recap PDF on their WhatsApp account. So for today, my action application will be WhatsApp. So to add action application, I have to click on this plus button, and then from here I will search for my action application WhatsApp, and then I will will select it from here. After that, for this application event, I will select this particular event, send template message, and then I will click on this connect button to connect my WhatsApp Cloud API account with Pabbly Connect. And here, as I am establishing a connection for the first time, that's why I will go with this add new connection. But if you have already established your connection, then you can go with this select existing connection. Now we have to enter this token, phone number ID, and WhatsApp business account ID to successfully connect our account with Pabbly Connect. So to get all of these following details, you have to go on this new page and search for this developers.facebook.com. After that, you will get directed on this particular Meta for Developers page. And here, as I have already created my Meta account, so that's why this my apps has been showing to me. But if you want to learn how you can create your Meta account, then you can check the description box of this video. We will add link of that particular video which will explain you how you can create your Meta account. And after creating your Meta account, you have to click on this my apps button on the right side here. After that, you can see these are all the applications that I have created for myself. So from here, I will select this particular application gadgets, and after that, you can see from the left side here on this WhatsApp drop down, I will click on this API setup, and inside this API setup, you will see that I have to click on this generate access token button to generate access token for myself. So I will click on this button generate access token, and here I have to click on this reconnect button, and after that you will see that this access token has been generated successfully. So I will just copy this access token from here and I will paste it inside this particular token box like this. After that, for this phone number ID and WhatsApp business account ID, I will go back again on this particular Meta for Developers page, and here you can see this is the phone number ID and this is the WhatsApp business account ID. So I will copy them from here and I will paste it inside these particular boxes like this. I will go back again, I will copy this WhatsApp business account ID and I will paste it in here like this, and then I will click on this save button, and here you will see that our new connection has been established successfully. So now I have to fill up all of these following fields one by one to successfully complete this workflow, and to fill up all of these following fields, I will take help of mapping. So to map data, you have to click on this particular box. After that, you can see your previous steps will get visible to you. So when I will click on this drop down, you can see all the response that I have received in my previous step are now visible to me. So as we have to enter the phone number of my customer inside this particular box, you can see inside this response, I have not received the phone number of my customer. So to get a phone number of my customer, we will add another action application. So before adding that, as this particular phone number field is mandatory, so I will just click on any of these following buttons, and after that I will go back, I will click on this save button to save this particular action step, and then we will move further, and then I will again click on this plus button to add one more action step, and this time also I will search for this action application Thinkific and I will select it from here. But this time for this application event, I will select this particular event get user to get all the details about my new user, and then to connect Thinkific with Pabbly Connect, I have to click on this connect button, and here you can see I have again got these two different buttons, add new connection and select existing connection, and this time also I will go with this add new connection, and then I will click on this connect with Thinkific button, and here you can see we have to enter the subdomain inside this particular box to connect our Thinkific account with Pabbly Connect. So just below this particular box, you can see this particular https://subdomain.thinkific.com is given to us so that we can identify our subdomain. So to get this subdomain, I will go on this particular courses website, and in here you can see this Neeraj S site 23 is my subdomain. So I will copy this subdomain from here and I will paste it inside this particular box like this, and then I will click on this save button. After that, you will see inside this particular small box I have successfully created my connection. Now inside this user ID box, we have to map the user ID of my customer. So to map data, first of all I will turn on this button from here, I will delete this particular text, and when I will click on this box, you can see my previous step is now visible to me. So I will click on this drop down and you can see this is the user ID. So I will click it from here, and here the user ID has been mapped successfully. So now I will click on this save and send test request button. After that, you can see that I have received all the details about my customer. So now I can map these details inside my further steps. So I will go again inside this WhatsApp Cloud API application, and now inside this particular phone number, when I will click on this get user drop down, you will see that I will scroll down and this is the number of my customer. So I will select it, and here the number of my customer has been mapped successfully. And for this template ID, when I will click on this drop down, you can see these are all the templates that I've created for myself. So as I want to send this particular template, Java session recap, so I will select it from here. And if you want to learn how you can create a template for yourself, then for that you have to go on this particular page of Meta for developers, and from this bottom here you can see this create your own template is given to you. So you have to click on this particular link, and in here you can see these are all the templates that I have created for myself, and this is the Java session recap template that I have selected inside my Pabbly Connect account. So to create a new template, you have to click on this create template button, and from here you can create a template for yourself. But if you want to learn in detail how you can create a template for yourself, then you have to check the description box of this video. We will add a link of that particular video there. Now I will go back to my Pabbly Connect account, and in here you can see I have already selected this template ID. So for this language code, I will type down this EN as English was my language code, and for the selected template name, I will click on this refresh button, and after that you can see my template has been selected successfully. And now below here I have to enter some of the details that I have added inside my template. So you can see as I have added header inside my template, so I will click on this yes. After that, for this header type, you can see as I have added a document inside my template, so that's why for this header type, this document has also got set automatically when I clicked on this refresh button. After that, you can see I will skip this text value, and then inside this media link you can see here this text is added. Enter the media link here. Fill this field only if the header type is image, video or documents. So as my media type is document, so I have to enter the media link inside this particular box. So here I have entered this particular format in which I want to send document to my customer, but inside this particular media link, in front of this ID equal to, I will add the ID of my document. So you can see this is my Google Docs account, and this is the ID of my document. So I will just copy this particular ID from here, and then I will paste it in here like this. After that, I have also added media link for my customer. Now I will go below, and here I will enter the file name for my document. So I will go again on my Google Docs account, and I will copy the name of my document from here, and then I will go back on my Pabbly Connect account and I will paste it in here. After that, I will scroll down, and as my template has body, so I will again click on this yes button, and now I have to enter the full name of my customer. So to add full name, I will click on this get user again, and here you can see this is the full name. So I have selected, and the full name has been also mapped successfully. And as I have added no buttons inside my template, so that's why I will let it selected as no. And now you can see I have successfully filled all of those following details which were required. Now I just have to click on this save and send test request button. But before that, I know that you must be in doubt that why I have took help of mapping to fill up all of these following details and why I have not typed them manually. So if I tell you in simple words, when we map data, then these particular fields become dynamic. It means that whenever Pabbly Connect will detect any new data, it will automatically update the old data with the new captured data. But if I will fill these field details manually, like if I will type down the name of my customer manually like this, then this particular field will remain static and it will not change unless we manually change it. So that's why we have to maintain a balance while we fill up all of these following fields. Like if I want some data to remain static, then I will type it down manually, but if I want some data to go dynamic, then I will map it. So now I hope that you have understood what mapping is. So now I will click on this save and send test request button. After that, you can see we have received a success response here. This means that a session recap document has been successfully sent to my customer's WhatsApp account. So I will cut this from here, and now if I will show you my WhatsApp account, here you can see that this particular customer Suman Bhattacharya has successfully received this particular session recap document for themselves. This means that my workflow is working flawlessly. Now I will add one more step inside this particular workflow where I will took help of this amazing feature by Pabbly Connect, this delay, and with the help of this delay we will delay the sending of this particular message so that my customer can receive this particular document after they have completed their session. So inside this app event, I will select this add time delay, and then I will click on this connect button, and here you can see inside this particular box how much delay you want to put in workflow. So I will click on this drop down, and you can see you can select any of these following: delay for, delay until, or delay after queue. So for now I will select this delay for, and then inside this delay unit I will select this unit in minute because I want to show a test to you right now. but in real time you have to select the days after which you want to send PDF to your customer. So I will select this minutes, and then inside this delay value I will just enter this particular 2 minutes, and then I will click on this save and send test request button. After that, here you can see I have received this status as success, and here I have successfully completed the creation of this workflow, which will work whenever any new enrollment will get created on my Thinkific account. So if you want to clone this flow, then you can check the description box of this video. I will add a link of this flow there. And if you like this video, then please consider subscribing to Pabbly's YouTube channel. And for more such amazing videos, please do comment below on which topics do you want to see videos from us. And thank you for watching this video. Not just these, but you can integrate many more applications with the help of Pabbly Connect. Now, if you have any doubt, you can email us at support@pabbly.com, and you can ask your queries at forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issue, then you have to check this particular website. So what are you waiting for? Just go and automate your business with the help of Pabbly Connect.